In today's video, we're going to show you how to sync your Facebook page with your Cascal page so that you can auto-post and earn social rewards from your Facebook content. First, use the Login with Facebook option to merge your Cascal profile with your Facebook account. If you've already got a Cascal profile, it'll automatically merge. Just enter the OTP code from your mobile phone. Next, make sure you have a Facebook page. A page is not the same as your main profile, so you can easily create one by clicking the Page option and filling out your page info. Next, return to your Cascal page. You can also use your profile page. Simply click the three dots and select Sync Social Media. Select Facebook, make sure you're logged into the correct profile, and then select your page. Once your Facebook pages are linked, select the page you want to set to auto post. Now, let's try creating a Facebook post. After about 10 minutes, your post should show up on Cascal. Use this function to streamline your content process or share great media with your Cascal followers. See you next time!